Welcome to the Airtame 3 installation guide. This video will show you how to quickly set up your Airtame 3. If you're deploying many units across your organization, Airtame 3 supports zero-touch deployment, which makes it fast and simple to set up in bulk. For more details on this feature, check the video description. Let's start with what's in the box. The Airtame 3, an HDMI cable, the USB-C power supply, and adhesive mounting strips. Step 1 is mounting. Apply the adhesive strips to the back of the Airtame 3, then press it firmly onto a flat, clean surface, such as a wall or the back of a display. It's important not to mount the Airtame 3 directly over the no Wi-Fi zone, as this can reduce signal strength. If you prefer, you can use the Visa mount accessory or simply place the Airtame 3 on a desk or shelf. Step 2 is connections. You have 3 main power and connection options. Option 1, standard setup. Connect the HDMI cable to your display. Plug the power supply into the right USB-C port. You can also connect an Ethernet cable if you want a wired network connection. Option 2, PoE Plus setup. For a cleaner installation, connect the HDMI cable and use an Ethernet cable with PoE Plus for both power and network. Option 3, USB-C display. If your monitor supports video and power over USB-C, a single cable connected to the middle USB-C port can handle everything. If you're setting up Airtame 3 for dual screen, plug in the second screen cable into the HDMI 2 port or the USB-C port. If you're setting up the Airtame 3 for video conferencing, connect your AV peripherals, such as a camera, microphone, and speaker, using the USB-A ports or the middle USB-C port. Your Airtame 3 will now power on. This section is for using Airtame 3 with Ethernet. If you need to use Airtame 3 with Wi-Fi, skip to the next section. Once connected with Ethernet, you'll see a 6-character pairing code on the screen. On your laptop, go to airtame.com/add. Sign in or create your Airtame cloud organization. Enter the code shown on the display to link the Airtame 3 to your account. Next, give your Airtame a name. You can also assign it to a group or room calendar if you like. Your license is activated automatically, and your Airtame 3 is now ready to use. This section is for using Airtame 3 with Wi-Fi. On the screen, look for the unique name that starts with Airtame-OOB. On your laptop, go to airtame.com/Wi-Fi and log into your Airtame cloud organization. Your browser will use Bluetooth to find the Airtame 3. Connect to your new Airtame. Choose your Wi-Fi network from the list and enter the password to bring the Airtame 3 online. Finally, name your Airtame 3 and organize it by adding it to a group or room calendar. The license is applied automatically and you're ready to start using Airtame.